Protect your beautiful living space with the slip-resistant Gorilla Grip furniture cover. The cover features ultra-soft micro-suede material and a strong slip-resistant backing to help keep your cover in place. Always measure your furniture before purchase to ensure a good fit. Installing is easy. Locate the strap under the seat area and attach the hook to the loop at one end of the cover. Carefully wrap the strap around the back of the furniture and attach the second hook to loop on the other side. The slip cover protects your furniture against pet hair and messes. Plus, it's easy to clean. Simply wash in the washing machine and air dry. We hope you love your furniture protector from Gorilla Grip.
Your living room a fresh new look with the Mighty Monkey Furniture Protector. It features premium material that is soft to the touch. Plus, it's reversible. Always measure your furniture before purchase to ensure the right fit. To install, simply position the cover over your furniture. Use the 2-inch strap to help secure your cover. It helps to provide protection from pets and other everyday messes. Plus, cleaning is easy. Simply machine wash and tumble dry. We hope you love your furniture protector from Mighty Monkey.